Today we'll teach you how to install 11.1 LiPo onto ARP-9. First, make sure orientation is in this way, and then tuck the MOSFET like so. Tuck the MOSFET like so. Okay, wires on the outside, MOSFET on the inside, like so. Make sure you're tucking it all the way in. You can plug in the battery now, like that. Make sure orientation is this way. Then, put the battery in, and it should slide in like no problem. At the same time, plug in shove it both in. MOSFET goes in, or actually, MOSFET goes in. Wires go in like this. Don't put too much pressure. Then you can kind of, right. That way, like that. Basically, you're trying to make sure that both the battery and the MOSFET is deep in as much as possible without putting too much force. So you can see it's still loose like that, right? This is so that you can push the battery in as much as possible. So, right. Well, there's it's either like this, or you can try to get the battery. Like that. So we kind of like a reverse. So it'll be going deep inside without much force. Just set up the cover in, and it's fine like that. There shouldn't be any like a pressure going in, and like that. The end.